What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see an example on if-else statement. Here what we are going to do is we are going to ask and display the age of the user, and that age should be between 0 and 130. If it's between 0 and 130, it's going to print it out, otherwise it's going to say the age is invalid. Now let's see how to do that. So first, since age is a number, so we have to introduce an integer type of variable. So here I'm going to type integer and then age, and after that we have to give a printf statement, like that's going to be the prompt to the user. It's going to ask the user to enter the age, enter your age. Okay, printf, and it's going to ask enter your age. Okay, and then \n, close bracket close, semicolon, and after that we have to get the input from the user. In order to do that, I have to put scanf statement. Scanf statement. In this statement I'm going to put %d comma age, and since age is a variable, if it's a array we don't have to put anything in front, but if it's a variable we have to put ampersand sign in front. Okay, and then we have this is because this is going to store age in age right here after the user enter the age. Now the next thing is we are going to give the if statement. If the age is greater than 0, age is greater than 0 and age is less than 130, it's going to print your age is this one. Okay, so printf statement, your age is %d, that's for integer, and that's it for this one. And also let's put a new line, \n, and since we \n right here, it should be small n. Okay, and then we have stored age in age, integer age, that's the name we have given, so we have to type the name right, same name right here, and then semicolon right here, and then else statement. If it's not age, if the age is not between this, it's going to print out printf the age is invalid, point \n, and then semicolon right here, and that's it. Okay, so here this is one, this is this. Okay, it looks correct. Now let's go ahead and run this one. So here I chose the wrong online compiler because this doesn't get the input from the user. I have to choose another one, that's online GDB. Okay, here we go. Okay, here let's select C and let's get rid of this thing, paste it right here. Okay, let me run this. Enter your age, let's say age is 79. Your age is 79. Now let's try a number that's bigger than 130, like for example 150. The age is invalid, and that's how if-else statement works. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and there are a bunch of videos on this C programming in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.